In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload to Google Photos. First, you'll want to open the Google Photos app on your mobile device. This app is typically found among your installed applications and has a colorful pinwheel icon. Once you find the app, tap on it to launch it. This step is crucial because it serves as the gateway to all your photos and videos, allowing you to manage and back them up easily. The interface is user-friendly, and you'll notice various options as soon as it opens. You may see your recent photos displayed prominently, which reassures you that everything is functioning properly. Next, sign into your Google account. If you're already signed in, you'll skip this step. However, if prompted, enter your email address and password associated with your Google account. This is vital because your Google account is how Google Photos identifies you and gives you access to your stored content. A successful sign-in ensures that all your uploads are linked to the right account, keeping your memories safe and secure. Once you sign in, you may see a confirmation message or be taken directly to your library. Now tap your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. This icon represents your account and provides access to various settings. By tapping on it, you will be directed to your account settings, where you can customize your experience within Google Photos. This small action is important because it opens up options for managing your account and settings, ensuring that everything is tailored to your preferences. Once you tap it, a menu will appear, offering several choices related to your Google Photos account. From there, tap on Google Photos Settings and then select Backup. This section is where you can manage how your photos and videos are backed up to the Google Photos service. By accessing the backup settings, you gain control over how and when your content is uploaded. This is crucial because it allows you to save your memories automatically without having to remember to do it manually. Once you tap on Backup, you will see various options related to your backup preferences. Now turn on Backup if it isn't enabled already. This action ensures that your photos and videos will be automatically uploaded to Google Photos without any additional effort on your part. A toggle switch will typically indicate whether the backup feature is on or off. When you turn it on, you'll see a visual confirmation, which gives you peace of mind that you are now safeguarding your precious memories. This automatic backup eliminates the worry of losing important photos. After that, choose your preferred backup quality. You can select from options like high quality or original quality. High quality allows for free unlimited storage at a slightly reduced resolution, while original quality preserves your photos at their highest resolution but counts against your storage quota. This choice is essential because it determines how much storage your uploads will consume and the quality of your images. Once selected, tap on Save or Confirm, and your preferences will be updated accordingly. At this point, your photos and videos will automatically upload to Google Photos. This means that as you take new pictures or videos, they will be backed up seamlessly without any additional steps required from you. You will see a notification in the app confirming that your files are being uploaded. This feature is particularly beneficial if you frequently take photos, as it saves you time and ensures that your content is securely stored in the cloud. Now, let's shift to uploading from the Google Photos website. Open Google Photos in a web browser at photos.google.com. Make sure you are using a compatible browser for the best experience. This step allows you to access your Google Photos library from a computer, providing a larger screen for easier management of your media files. Once the website loads, you should see your photo library, which is a familiar sight if you have already uploaded content. Sign into your Google account again if you aren't logged in. Enter your credentials just like you did in the app. This is a repeat of an earlier step to ensure that all your uploads are securely linked to your account. After signing in, you will be taken back to your photo library, where you can see and manage your existing photos and videos. Click Create and Add Photos or Upload in the top right corner of the page. This button is usually represented with a plus symbol or an upload icon. By clicking this, you initiate the uploading process, which is straightforward and user-friendly. This step is important because it allows you to select the specific files you want to upload to your Google Photos account. A drop-down menu will appear, guiding you through the next actions. Select Import Photos or Computer from the menu that appears. This option enables you to choose files stored locally on your computer. This is a crucial step as it allows for flexibility in the type of media you want to upload. Whether you are adding photos from a recent event or a collection of videos, this option caters to your needs. Once selected, a File Explorer window will pop up, prompting you to navigate to where your files are stored. Choose the photos or videos you want to upload by clicking on them. You can select multiple files by holding down the Control key or Command key while clicking. This flexibility is essential for efficiently uploading batches of media. Once you have made your selections, you'll see the chosen files highlighted, indicating that they are ready for upload. This step gives you a chance to double-check that you've picked the right content. Finally, click Open to start the upload. You can also drag and drop files directly into the browser window, which is a great time saver. The upload process will begin, and you may see a progress bar indicating how much of the upload has been completed. This visual feedback is reassuring as it confirms that your files are being transferred successfully. Remember, photos uploaded through the app or website are stored in your Google Photos library and count toward your Google account storage, which is shared with Google Drive and Gmail. This understanding helps you manage your storage effectively as you continue to use Google Photos for all your media needs.